how you can save your Instagram photos and videos in the gallery. The first thing you need to do is open up your Insta account, and then you need to go to your profile and then tap on the three lines on the top right corner, and then from here you need to go to settings. Once you're in the settings, you need to go to the option of accounts right here, and then we need to scroll down until you see one option which is original post. It's pretty much on the lower ends. You need to go to original post and then make sure that all of these are turned on. Save original post, save posted photos, and save posted videos. And all of these comes with a warning. Like for example, in save original posts, we have automatically save the unedited photos and videos taken with Instagram's feed camera to your camera roll. And then the option to save posted photos is also turned on, and then save posted videos, which says saving video to your phone uses more storage space. Just in case, a friendly reminder, make sure all of these three options are turned on, and then in this way you can easily save your Instagram photos and videos to your gallery. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button and then comment on this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more updates.